Oil tanks are almost. Iran is running out of time.
Talks with the US have stalled. Oil tanks at Karg Island are almost full. Because of the blockade in the Strait of Hormuz, Iran cannot export oil. Production may stop within days.
A shooting happened at a dinner with Donald Trump.
The suspect sent a message to his family just 10 minutes before the attack. He called himself a friendly federal assassin. He also showed anger toward the government.
Japan's tanker finally escaped Iran. But why now?
A Japanese oil tanker passed the Strait of Hormuz for the first time in 2 months. It had been stuck due to the Iran conflict. The Japanese government says this is the result of negotiations.
Japan's tanker finally escaped Iran. But why now? Iran mentioned a 70-year-old incident. Why?
Iran highlighted the Nishomaru incident from the 1950s. Japan secretly imported oil from Iran despite Western pressure. Experts say Iran is trying to show a special relationship with Japan.
Japan's nuclear policy under fire.
At the NPT review conference, China criticized Japan's government. It claims Japan is reviewing its non-nuclear principles and possibly expanding its military role.
Is Japan going nuclear or not?
China also claimed Japan has nuclear technology and excess plutonium. But Japan denied this, saying everything is for peaceful use, under strict international rules.
Did the king just roast Trump?
Trump once said Europe might speak German without the US. Then King Charles replied with a joke. He said, without the UK, Americans might speak French, but this was not the end.
Even Trump couldn't laugh.
King Charles continued his speech. He joked about the White House in 1814. He said Britain once tried to rebuild it. In fact, British soldiers burned it.
Wait, no tax on UK whiskey now.
A Donald Trump removed tariffs on UK whiskey. He said it shows respect to King Charles and his wife. The tax was 10% and it could rise to 25% soon, but now it will not increase. Do you like this idea?
Yes, cheaper whiskey is good.